Taipei, Taiwan, AP, China banned most people from leaving the coronavirus hit northeastern province and mobilized military reservists Monday as the fast-spreading stealth Omicron variant fuels the country's biggest outbreak since the start of the pandemic 2 years ago. The National Health Commission reported 337 locally transmitted cases in the latest 24-hour period, including 895 in the industrial province of Jilin. A government notice said that police permission would be required for people to leave the area or travel from one city to another. The Harte province sent 7,000 reservists to help with the response, from keeping order and registering people at testing centers to using drones to carry out aerial spraying and disinfection, state broadcaster CCTV reported. Hundreds of cases were reported in other provinces and cities along China's east coast and inland as well. Beijing, which had 6 new cases, and Shanghai, with 41, locked down residential and office buildings where infected people had been found. Every day when I go to work, I worry that if our office building will suddenly be locked down, then I won't be able to get home, so I have bought a sleeping bag. While mainland China's numbers are small compared to many other countries, and even the semi-autonomous city of Hong Kong, they are the highest since COVID-19 killed thousands in the central city of Wuhan in early 2020. No deaths have been reported in the latest outbreaks. Hong Kong on Monday reported 26,908 new cases and 249 deaths in its latest 24-hour period. The city counts its cases differently than the mainland, combining both rapid antigen tests and PCR test results. The city's leader, Carrie Lam, said authorities would not tighten pandemic restrictions for now. "I have to consider whether the people would accept further measures," she said at a press briefing. Mainland China has seen relatively few infections since the initial Wuhan outbreak, as the government has held fast to its zero-tolerance strategy, which is focused on stopping transmission of the coronavirus by relying on strict lockdowns and mandatory quarantines for anyone who has come into contact. The government has indicated it will continue to stick to its strategy of stopping transmission for the time being. Officials on Sunday locked down the southern city of Shenzhen, which has 17.5 million people and is a major tech and finance hub that borders Hong Kong. That followed the lockdown of Chongqing, home to 9 million people in Jilin province, starting last Friday. On Monday, Zhang Wenong, a prominent infectious disease expert at a hospital affiliated with Shanghai's Fudan University, noted in an essay for China's business outlet Caixin, that the numbers for the mainland were still in the beginning stages of an exponential rise.